This is Innovledia.
Hello and welcome back. So, as you open Maya 2023 and Maya 2024, you will see a new home screen. And if I go to the main interface, you will find that there is now a home button before the file menu, which opens the home screen. On the home screen, we can set our project folder, as well as create a new scene or open an existing one. You can see a list of recently opened project files here. You can open any of them by clicking on its name. And you can directly click here on Go to Maya to switch back to the interface. And then click here on the Home button to open the home screen again. You can also uncheck this box to skip this home screen when you start Maya. Alright? Now, if I switch back to the interface and go to the Windows menu, Settings and Preferences, and click on Preferences, you will see that there is an option to remove this home button so that you don't click on it by mistake while opening the file menu. You can keep it or remove it as you need. Make sure you have this interface option selected to find these options. Alright? And you can also disable the entire home screen by unchecking this box if you don't need it. So, this is for disabling the home screen, and this is for disabling the home button. Okay? So once done, you can click on Save to save the preferences. Okay? So this is a major update in Maya 2023 and 2024. Alright? See you in the next video.